Hello bachcho, let's see this question. Which of the following hormone is not isolated from plants? Option A IAA, option B IBA, option C ABA and option D NAA. Now the key concept that is applicable here is plant growth hormones. नाउ लेट अस सी कि प्लांट ग्रोथ हार्मोन्स में कौन कौन से आते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज ऑक्सिन्स. सो ऑक्सिन्स का मेन रोल क्या है, मेन फंक्शन क्या है? वो रेगुलेट करता है सेल इलोंगेशन, देन रूट इनिशिएशन, एपिकल डोमिनेंस and fruit development को. And this is how it contributes in plant growth. So it promotes stem elongation. Now the another hormone that is cytokines. So cytokines are basically, the main function is to promote cell division and it helps in delaying senescence. So what is senescence? That is aging of plant. ये aging को रोकने के लिए help करता है and they are involved in shoot and root growth. So this is the function of cytokines. Moving forward, third hormone जो है वो है जिब्रेलिन्स. So जिब्रेलिन्स का basically function क्या है? They stimulate stem elongation, then seed germination and fruit and flower development. And now the fourth one is abscisic acid, which is also abbreviated as ABA. Now इसका फंक्शन है कि it regulates seed dormancy, drought tolerance क्या होता है कि if प्लांट को बहुत टाइम तक वाटर नहीं मिलता है, with the help of this hormone it helps in tolerating the drought condition and it helps in stomatal closure. So this is what about abscisic acid. Moving further, fifth one जो है वो है इथाइलिन. So इथाइलिन का function जो है वो है it is involved in fruit ripening and senescence of flowers. So this is what ethylene is. Now moving forward, हमें इस क्वेश्चन में ऐसे हार्मोन को फाइंड करना है दैट इज नॉट आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम प्लांट. अब नॉट आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम प्लांट मतलब जो सिंथेटिक हो. सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द ऑप्शन ए में दिया गया है IAA का फुल फॉर्म है इंडोल 3 एसिटिक एसिड. नाउ इंडोल 3 एसिटिक एसिड जो है वो एक naturally occurring hormone है that is of the auxin group. Naturally occurring auxin है and this helps in promoting growth of the plant. This is naturally occurring, so this is not synthesized in the lab. Option B में दिया है IBA. IBA जो है इसका फुल फॉर्म इज इंडोल 3 ब्यूटेरिक एसिड। अब ये IBA जो है दिस इज अ दैट इज synthesized naturally in plants. So this is also synthesized naturally. Moving forward, option C. So option C में दिया गया है ABA. The full form of ABA is, it stands for abscisic acid. Now abscisic acid जो है that is a plant hormone and that is synthesized naturally in the plants, and this is representing or responsible for seed dormancy, then stomatal regulation and other functions that we discussed earlier. Now हमारे पास बचता है option D. Option D is NAA. NAA is full form is 1-naphthalene acetic acid. 1-naphthalene acetic acid. तो ये जो है that belongs to auxin group. ये hormone belongs to auxin group and ये generally plant synthesis नहीं करता है and it is synthesized chemically in laboratory. So therefore this is not a hormone that is isolated from the plant. Now, based on the discussion, the hormone that is not isolated from plants is NAA, that is 1-naphthalene acetic acid. Therefore, the correct option to this question is option D. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.